Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, and we've got this absolutely splendid and very striking trio to show you over condition wise today. Don't know much about it in terms of its manufacture or exact date range on it. We've got some idea obviously, but there's no markings on any piece of this in the set other than the decorator's pattern number, but researching it on Google Lens, trying to find matches. There's some very similar pieces from Worcester and some other China factories, but nothing that's an exact match on this. We think it's probably around late 19th century, 1860s through to around 1890. Very stylized in its decoration and its form. A very straight-sided, deep little teacup here with quite a plain handle in a sort of buttermilk cream glaze, and then the panels are in white. Lovely decoration detail around the pedestal base here, and then these maroon blocks with this hand applied decoration, and this is all hand decorated, hand painted. Every single one of these has got a slight little variation in it. These are not transfer printed on, so again gives a clue as to its age. Lovely inner rim, just that fine detailing with the gilt line again. Again, the saucer, forgive our catalogue reference stickers on this one. Beautiful deep-sided curved walled saucer. This one has got the 846 decorators marks on it. Lovely porcelain china, and again the gilt condition on this, it's really fantastically done. Same with the 7-inch side plate. Just look at all this hand decoration, the detailing that's gone into this, the fineness of the gilt that's been applied on here. It's absolutely spectacular. Again, not a single maker's mark or decorator's line on this one, but as trios, they just pop on a table. Really rich colour combination, the maroon and the gold. Spectacular. We've got quite a few of them, and there's also a sugar bowl or box really, because it's a lidded design, a slops bowl and a milk jug with this. No teapot, of course, unfortunately, but absolutely beautiful, aren't they? All the dimensions, measurements, if you'd like to find out more about these trios and the prices, are on the website. We'll put a link in the description below, take you directly through to the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.